Drugs, guns, money, and more than a dozen people behind bars tonight. KPIX5's Ryan Takeo on the record-breaking bust that happened right here in the Bay Area.
The county prosecutor says this is the largest drug bust ever in Contra Costa County history. We're talking about 500 pounds of methamphetamine seized. Here's a look, a picture that they showed us late this morning. Street value of $18 million, that according to state and federal authorities. They say it has ties to the Sinaloa Mexican drug cartel. This morning, the state announced the bust called Operation Road Trip. A local drug task force worked with about 3 dozen local, state, and federal agencies, and this investigation was 6 years in the making.
This criminal enterprise began in a faraway place. But make no mistake about it, they brought their crime, their drugs, and their violence to our region, to our communities, and to our neighborhoods.
The operation was called Road Trip because the drug traffickers drove from Southern California, and Contra Costa County acted as a hub for drugs moving across Northern California, the Pacific Northwest, and even Canada. In Richmond, Ryan Takeo, KPIX5.
22 people were arrested in Operation Road Trip.